Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a ratio and then hopefully finding a unit rate from that. So this is a problem from CPM's course 2, and this is section 5.3.1. Yep. Number 5 -103 says a candy wrapping robot can wrap 434 pieces of candy in 5 minutes. How many pieces of candy can it wrap in any number of minutes? In other words, find the unit rate. So here's my ratio. I start with my ratio, and I see my ratio as 434 pieces of candy in 5 minutes. That's my ratio. So I want a unit rate of how many it can wrap in any number of minutes, right? So I want to know pieces per minute. So I want to get this converted to be pieces per 1 minute. So the question is how many pieces in 1 minute, right? So remember, ratios are fractions. So really, I'm going to rewrite these numbers as fractions without the units so we can see that, oh, if I want this fraction and I wanted to find the equivalent fraction with a 1 in the denominator, that would just mean divide top and bottom by 5. If I divide top and bottom by 5, 5 divided by 5 gives me a 1, right? I'm simplifying this fraction. So if I divide 434 by 5, I'll have to take and do 434 divided by 5, and you end up with, see, 8, 40 subtract 34, it goes in there 6, multiply, we get 30, I have a remainder of 4. So I'll go ahead and get a decimal in there, add a decimal, bring down that 0, add the decimal up here, 5 goes into 48 times. So what I have is 86.8 pieces per 1 minute. That's what now I have, right? Now that number is what goes where that question mark is. So my unit rate would be 86.8 or 86 and 8 tenths pieces of candy. Oops, there we go. Candy per minute. That's my unit rate. Okay. Unit rate. There we go.